Singer Easy Repair. It is important that you take safety precautions when following what we instruct on Easy Repair. Therefore, one or more of these icons will be displayed on screen as an indication of when and where you need to be the most precautious. In this Easy Repair video, let's find out how to drain water in a Singer no-frost refrigerator. It doesn't frost in a no-frost refrigerator, but water gets collected. This most definitely needs to be taken out. Let's see how to do that. First, disconnect the power. The water gets collected in a tray at the bottom in the rear of the fridge. It is attached with 2 nails. You don't need to remove them. Slowly and carefully lift the tray up like this. Slip it over this coil to slide it out. Drain the water and replace the tray. First, gently insert the coil, then hang the tray on the nails carefully. Now, reconnect the power to the refrigerator.